Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to create truly engaging Power BI reports by showing actual images like product photos or company logos, instead of just plain text or numbers, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through step by step how you can display these images directly inside your Power BI desktop tables and visuals, using just a simple web link. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to turn any dataset with image links into a vibrant, visual report that'll impress your colleagues and make your data much more impactful. Let's jump straight in. The very first step, and this is crucial, is to make sure you've prepared your data properly. Specifically, you need your dataset to include a column dedicated to storing image URLs. Now, these URLs should be direct links to your images. That means you want links that end in PNG, JPG, JPEG, GIF, or another common image file extension. Here's a quick example. Say you're tracking products for a sales report. Your table might look something like this: Apple 5,000 sales, and then a link like https://upload, wikimedia.org/Apple PNG. The same goes for bananas and oranges with their corresponding image links. The key thing here is don't paste links to web pages, paste links that take you straight to the image file itself. Think of it like skipping the main menu and going right to the picture. Power BI needs to see the image, not an entire website. Assuming you've already gathered your data in Excel, a CSV and SQL database, or just about any common data source, the next step is loading that dataset into Power BI Desktop. I've already gone ahead and loaded mine to save us some time, but if you haven't, you can follow the usual process. Just go to Get Data, choose the right format, and import. If you're new to this, don't stress. Power BI's import tools are user-friendly, and you'll see a preview to help ensure your data came in correctly. Now, here comes a little trick that a lot of folks miss: the magic setting that transforms those text links into actual images. Head over to the Data view inside Power BI Desktop. Click to select your image URL column. At the top, in the Column Tools ribbon, you'll see something called Data Category. This normally says Uncategorized or Text by default. You want to switch this to Image URL. What this does is tell Power BI, hey, these aren't just random strings of text, these are links to images we want to show. If you skip this, you'll only see the raw URLs in your report, which isn't helpful to anyone. With that done, let's go make some visuals. I like starting with a table visual because it's clear and easy to read. Simply add the product name, the sales number, and here's the fun part: the image URL field we prepared earlier. Right away, Power BI will start rendering the actual images in each row, instead of those boring links. You can try the same thing with a matrix visual if your data suits that format better. Now, depending on your data, the images may show up a bit too small or way too big. No worries, it's completely adjustable. Select your table visual, click on Format, then find the Grid section. Here you'll see the option to tweak the image size. I usually start around 50 pixels to keep things tidy, but you can increase or decrease as needed to get the perfect fit for your report's look and feel. Quick heads up on a few gotchas. Your images must be stored in online locations that are public and accessible without needing to log in. That means if your links require a special password or come from a private drive, Power BI won't be able to fetch the pictures. Also, double-check that your links are direct image files, not just pages containing images. This trick is fantastic for a range of use cases, showing product photos in sales reports, employee profile pictures for HR dashboards, even company logos for your clients or vendors. It's a small detail that adds a huge professional polish to your reports. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Drop your questions or ideas for future videos in the comments. I love hearing from you. And if you want more practical Power BI tricks, be sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy reporting.